The discussion chapter is a crucial part of your thesis where you interpret and contextualize your research findings. It bridges the gap between your results and the literature, explaining the significance of your study. This guide will help you understand what to include and how to write an effective discussion chapter. Understanding the discussion chapter. The discussion chapter is where you analyze your findings, relate them to your research questions, and compare them with previous studies. This section demonstrates your ability to think critically and contributes to the academic conversation. What to include in the discussion chapter. 1. Summary of key findings. Begin with a brief summary of your main findings. This helps readers quickly understand the core results before diving into detailed analysis. Example: our study found that students who used interactive learning tools had a 20% higher retention rate compared to those who used traditional methods. 2. Interpretation of results. Discuss what your findings mean in the context of your research question. Explain any patterns, relationships, or trends you identified. Example: the higher retention rates among interactive learners suggest that engagement plays a critical role in educational outcomes. 3. Comparison with previous research. Relate your findings to existing literature. Highlight agreements, contradictions, or extensions of previous work. Example: consistent with Smith, 2020, our results support the notion that active learning strategies enhance retention. 4. Implications. Discuss the practical, theoretical, and/or policy implications of your findings. Example: these findings suggest that educators should integrate more interactive tools into their teaching strategies to improve learning outcomes. 5. Limitations. Acknowledge the limitations of your study. This demonstrates transparency and critical thinking. Example: the study's sample size was limited, which may affect the generalizability of the results. 6. Future research directions. Suggest areas for future research based on your findings. Example: future studies could explore the long-term impact of interactive learning tools on student retention and performance. How to write the discussion chapter. A. Organize logically. Follow a clear structure. Start with your findings, then move to interpretations, comparisons, implications, limitations, and future directions. B. Be concise and clear. Avoid unnecessary jargon. Write clearly and concisely to make your points easily understandable. C. Use evidence. Support your interpretations with evidence from your study and the literature. D. Maintain objectivity. While you should interpret your findings, remain objective and avoid overstating the significance of your results. For personalized assistance and professional support with your thesis, consider ordering our thesis writing services at thesiswriting.help.